Chiropractic, physical therapy. Which one is right for you? Hey everyone, it's Dr. Heather here, and a lot of times we don't know if we should be going to a chiropractor or if we should be going to a physical therapist for our needs. So what I thought I'd do in this short little video is kind of go over the differences between the two, because there are some similarities, but there are some unique differences. And when choosing what is right for you is really a matter of preference, but then it's also too looking at the physician or the physical therapist who's going to be taking care of you. So let's kind of start with the similarities. So one is both of them are actually doctors. Physical therapists now go on to receive a doctorate in physical therapy, and chiropractors as well do sit for board exams and are known as physicians. A lot of times there's a misconception that chiropractors really aren't real doctors, but that's actually not true. A lot of our studies are actually that would be taking place in a medical setting, because we do have to understand the body to the fullest. And the same when it comes to physical therapy, they do have to have a general oversense of, certain types of conditions and ailments that a medical doctor would see as well. Now, in terms of some more similarities, both do work in usually a private clinical setting, and both do kind of treat the whole entire body. Now, some differences, one particular with chiropractors, there are a lot of different specialities when it comes to chiropractic medicine. Some will just be more subluxation based, others will be more scientific based, and some will also work more with pediatrics, geriatrics, or even sports chiropractors like myself. Now, when it comes to a physical therapist, they're a lot of times more focused on that one area, that one ailment. So when they get that referral from that physician, they're going to focus in on that area. Now, when it comes to chiropractic, a lot of times we take a little bit more of a holistic approach, and we start integrating a little bit more that's going to go into your care when it comes to the neuromuscular system, but also too, we're going to take a look at exercise, stretches, nutrition, and starting to take a look at biomechanics. When it's looking for a physical therapist, if you go in with just elbow pain, knee pain, neck pain, they're going to hone in on that one particular area. They're going to really try to address those symptoms, that pain area, but they're not going to always take a look at the holistic picture, starting to really put all the other pieces together. So again, there are some similarities when it comes to figuring out which one's going to be better for you, whether it's going to be going to the chiropractor or going to the physical therapist. Best advice is really get a sense of, from referrals, from using different types of reviews on websites, on different types of platforms like Yelp. You do want to go ahead and make sure that the doctor that you're going to see, there are patients that have seen that same physician and they're resonating with you. You can make a connection with another patient. Maybe this one particular doctor does treat a lot more runners, weightlifters, some CrossFitters, maybe works with more cyclists, maybe works with more older folks in terms of people who have had, hip replacements, knee replacements, and so forth. So when choosing the right avenue, whether it's going to be a physical therapist or a chiropractor, you do want to make sure you have a good understanding, kind of the holistic picture. What's that right fit for you? Are you looking for somebody who's going to put all the pieces together, or are you looking really just to treat that one pain symptom area? The other thing, like I said, you really want to pay attention to some of those reviews, listen to some other people's success stories, what they've said, what they've not liked, what they've liked when it comes to working with those physicians, because each one of us is so uniquely different that there isn't one shop fits all type of setting when it comes to choosing either a chiropractor or a physical therapist. Now, I hope all of you have found this little video helpful in figuring out which one to choose. And if you've liked it, give it a thumbs up. And as always, you can find a lot of great material on my channel, so do go ahead and subscribe today, where I just try to educate you more on the various different topics that I know are circulating around our different types of communities. So everyone, this is Dr. Heather, and this was just a general overview as to chiropractic or physical therapist. Wishing everyone a great day, and I will see you in my next video.